Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Elliott Wave Forecast. Here's chart of the day, 9th of August, 1 a.m. GMT, and we have in front of us the chart of oil futures 1 hour. Here in 1 hour we see right side is higher, the trend in 1 hour, 4 hour is higher, and from the lows we see wave 3 ended, wave 4 has made a flat. ABC flats are the structures where we have a higher high in price, but typically you lower RSI reading in RSI. Here we see a lower in RSI as compared to this peak, so therefore it's a flat here, and while above these highs we have ended wave 5 or 3, and the pullback is a clear zigzag ABC lower, and here from the lows next bullish cycle might have started. What does it mean might? We need to break above wave 3 highs to confirm next extension high, because as long as we haven't broken we cannot rule out possibility of a double. Therefore it can still do this pullback against the lows of wave 2, which is back, which one can see in 4-hour charts. I will show it just in a few. Therefore this pullback is still possible towards 69.67, 77.57, where it should be supported, but while above the lows from 8th of August we favor more upside. Now what are the targets in 1 hour? We use length of wave 4 and applying length of wave 4 to measure wave 5. We obtain following targets, which is 84.12, 85.43, but wave 5 is not limited by this area, it can go far beyond, so therefore next extension is expected towards this area and beyond, and the larger perspective one can obtain if looking on 4-hour charts. In 4 hour we have from the lows 1, 2, wave 3 has ended, wave 4 pullback might be in place, and we can also use wave 1 as a length to measure where wave 5 might go. We measure wave 1 and apply this length to the low of wave 4. So therefore based on the equality between wave 1 and wave 5 it can reach towards 85, 84. This is our also target using this technique. Now wave 3 itself has shown a clear extension. Here we have reached far beyond 1618, confirming that we are trading within an impulse. When wave 3 goes beyond 1618, which has done clearly above 1618, we have reached higher even towards 2.0. Let's check if we have reached 2618. Here's our Fibonacci extension tool. So 2618 has been almost reached. Sorry, we have reached it because this is the high of wave 3. So therefore powerful wave 3, and now series of fifth waves should follow. Looking on the stochastic RSI, we have correctly identified wave 3 in the middle with a snake here. We see from the lows 1, 2 first nest, then another nest 1, 2 with a reset in RSI stochastic. Then we have wave 3 with a pullback, and then wave 5 higher and then reset again. Still missing one more high based on the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, needs still make a 9, and once we will end this wave, so swing number 9, then reset should happen against the lows of 66.74. In daily perspective we see from the lows that we have 1, 2 now still in the wave 3, and this wave 4 pullback should again be supported, then expecting more upside. So therefore from now we are favoring 2 more highs in oil, and it can still take time of weeks to months before we will end the entire move as an impulse from the lows. But we expect this impulse from the lows to be not the initial wave from here, but it can be doing a flat from the September 2022. Here we show A in 3 swings, B in 3 swings, and 5 waves of C, which is called expanded flat structure, can reach 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 6, 1, 8, and even higher. Right now applying to the end of wave B, we haven't reached 1, 2, 3, 6, 100% has been reached already. If we will stay below wave A without breaking above wave A, then it will be called running flat structure. If we will break above wave A, then it is expanded flat. What are the targets again? Now we can take 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 6, 1, 8, 2.0, and even in rare cases 2, 6, 1, 8. So typical targets 1236, 1618, but also not uncommon is 2.0, 9872. So therefore looking for these targets to be reached within negative dollar dynamic as long as indices are extending high, yen pairs higher, in particularly CAD yen, because CAD yen and oil, they have a correlation, linear correlation, or let's better say positive correlation. They are not trading tick by tick, so therefore favoring more upside towards 85.33, 92.03, 98.72, 109.56. I hope it is clear what is happening with oil within next days to weeks. When you want, if you want to learn more about our system, about our forecast, you can check our homepage. We have free material, we have also free videos, we have blogs, articles, Elliott Wave theory, and you can try us for 14 days for $10. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can choose one of three groups and you can become our members. We will be happy to welcome you in our community. Thank you all for watching. Take care, bye, and I will see you all tomorrow.